Today you're going to meet tutor Justin Rogers. Justin has a Bachelor of Science and has done graduate coursework in chemistry. He's going to tell you what he likes about tutoring and give you a short lesson in stoichiometry. Take it away, Justin.
Hello everyone, my name is Justin, like we said. The reason I like tutoring is I like to see a kid's face when they finally understand the material. I'm a geek, a bit of a nerd myself. I've been watching Star Wars since I was a kid, and once I started getting into science, I started understanding what was happening in that world a little bit better. And that's what inspired me to go into the sciences, and I'd like to do the same thing for kids. And to try that, we're going to do a short question about stoichiometry. So we're going to start with the big boom, or the combustion of propane. And the reason why that's important is propane is something we use on the barbecue. And not too many people think about the environmental aspects, but when we burn propane, we actually put CO2 into the environment. So today we're going to find out exactly how much. And we'll start by balancing this equation. We're going to start with the carbons. Now we can see on the left side of the equation we have 3 carbons, and on the right side we only have 1. So to change that, we're going to add a 3 in front of the CO2, which now changes all parts of that molecule. So we now have 3 carbons instead of the 1. Next thing we have to do is balance our hydrogens. On the left side we have 8, and on the right side we have 2. So in order to change that, we're going to add a 4 in front of our water on the right hand side, which then changes the hydrogen to 8. Last thing we need to do is balance our oxygens. Now, we can count all of the oxygens we have on the right side of the equation, because that now changes. We have 3 times 2 oxygens, giving us 6, and then we have 4 times 1, giving us 4, changing that 3 to a 10. In order to make it equal on the second side of the equation, we add a 5 in front of the oxygen, changing it to 10. And as you can see, our equation is now completely balanced. So we add a 1 in front of the propane. As you can see, for every molecule of propane that we burn, we actually put 3 out into the atmosphere. So barbecue responsibly, and we'll keep our planet safe. Have a wonderful day.